the 2023 arts exhibit of Family Chan Limit here in SM Legazpi City, Albay.
Here we go. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, nandito po tayo ngayon sa SM Legazpi City, kung saan makikita niyo po yung exhibit na ginanap noong August 27, Sunday po yan at 3 PM. So makikita niyo guys yung iba't ibang uri ng arts na ginawa ng Chan Lim family. So more than 400 plus po yan. So yan guys. Okay guys, yan po yung more than 400 arts na ginawa ng Chan family. So iba-ibang uri po ng arts yan. So guys, yan kung mahilig ka like sa mga pag-drawing or anything. So yan, makikita mo kung gaano ka galing sa pagguhit. So yan guys, so basi chance. So yan pala yung lotus flower. Yan. So yung mga designing yan, so yung bridge. Yan guys, so makikita nyo, ayun, maraming tao dyan. So yan, medyo, yan, nagpipicture-picture sila for video or anything to flex. So yan guys, so ang dami. So makikita nyo po yung iba't ibang uri ng pagguhit or any tiles na larawan na yaon dyan. So yan guys, so sa mga pumaypay ko rin, so makita nyo naman po guys. So ang dami yan, mostly yan, makikita nyo yan. So kung di po kayo napag-subscribe, please like and share. Thank you guys, bye bye.